What are we doing?
We are winners.
We are.
Yeah.
You know what? You know what the title of my video is?
What?
Game of Thrones.
The Game of Thrones.
That one's mine. Krista can't have it.
All right.
Okay.
We
Now the bathroom is not remodeled.
won today though.
We had a win today.
Yes.
We did. We got the plumbing in. It's roughed in.
Yes.
It is not mounted to the walls. It's not mounted to the ceiling yet.
No.
But the plumbing's in.
Yeah.
Okay. And
It's
guess what I got?
Yeah. Guess what I'm gonna use in a little bit.
Yeah, you gonna get rid of your Jimmy John sandwich from lunch?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Look at this. Dun, dun, dun. I have a shitter. A brand new one.
A white one.
It's white. It's clean. Hasn't even taken the plastic off the lid yet.
Look at. I can touch this toilet.
You look like Wheel of Fortune when Vanna White used to be like da 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 da. You could be the proud owner of this brand new toilet.
Okay.
Soft shut lid. Look at that.
It hasn't even been flushed yet.
And it has not been flushed yet.
This is going to be the grand flushing.
This is it. Game of Thrones.
Are we going to do it?
In a second here. So we got the new plumbing in. Dun 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 dun. Over to here. Got this roughed in. This is where the shower is going to be at. I decided just to focus on this and getting the hot water back on today.
Yes.
Because we need to do dishes.
And this needs to be augured out.
And that still needs to be augured.
We tried with this. I ain't touching it.
No.
But it's still.
I still got that to do. But that's going to be tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
And now this way I've got all day tomorrow to auger and install the shower head.
Yes.
So
And
we're good to go.
I can make it look all pretty.
All right. You going to do the honors, Dana?
Wait, we got to open it.
Okay. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na.
Are we ready?
Yeah, let's see.
If the bottom leaks, I'm sorry.
If the bottom leaks, then we got to take it out and put a new wax ring in tomorrow. But it's seated really good.
It did. It doesn't even. Look at
There's
that.
no jiggle.
I'm wiggling it. I don't want to wiggle the thing, but I was wiggling it pretty good.
Yeah. No, there's no wiggle. It's got no wiggle jiggle.
No, it doesn't have no wiggle. The other one did.
Oh my God! You sit on the other one, you're like this.
And again, and I swear it would eat you. I'm not sure.
All right,
Are we ready?
let's
you want
see.
to get in to watch the water go down?
Okay, here we go. The big reveal.
3,
2, 1.
I wasn't waiting for the 1. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What do we got going on here?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I
Oh.
had a hole and I got
You got too impatient. You poked it. Okay, so now it's refilling. Well, that's the first flush
You
anyway.
can't even hear it refill.
Is it refilled?
It's refilling.
It's refilling.
I can
It's
kinda
silent.
get it. It is. My toilet at home.
Oh, turn off the fan. I'm going to get yelled at by my viewers.
My
That's much
toilet
better.
at home when it's refilled.
Now I can hear it, but man, it's silent practically. Ooh, that's some high-end shit there.
Do we want to give it a go again? Look at no water.
Wait till it's full.
around. I
Yep.
see no water.
No water leaks.
No water leaks.
No water
It's full, I
leaks.
think.
And look, we got that water leak off the main too.
Yes, we
Where
did.
it's coming in.
Yes, we did.
That's
I know it's
done
still
now.
wet, but it's not leaking
All
anymore.
right. All right. Here we go.
Don't get too antsy. Just... That went down.
Yep.
Smoothly.
Smoothly. You know, I'm gonna have to adjust the float up though.
Yeah,
That's what that is.
Yeah.
How far is it filling up? Let me see the float.
I'm getting. I gotta put my
Okay.
drink down.
Okay.
I gotta put my drink down.
All right. Yeah, probably just need to adjust the float up. Just not.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. We'll know.
Yeah, we'll find out.
We'll find out. If your turd goes down, we're okay. Because you're going to be laying a log. Because you've been holding it for 2 days.
Yeah, this is going
All
on
right.
day 2.
Yeah. We'll give an update after Dana takes a
Where
shit.
that is. It's not even moving at
No,
all.
that ain't going to move. That ain't going to move, man.
I've sat on new construction toilets that move.
That ain't going to move.
Nice.
Oh.
That is.
And the pedestal stink will go back. Pedestal stink? Pedestal sink will go back in tomorrow. But I didn't want to hook it up because I want to auger that drain as well. Because there's some reason why they had that plumbed across the room to the bathtub. Although Maybe there wasn't a reason for it.
It might not have been a rhyme.
It might have just been like, let's just put the drain, because that drain was ran all the way over to the bathtub for some reason.
Yeah, which was very weird. But
when it could go right there where the sink was. So I didn't want to install the sink because I figure if I install the sink, I'd end up having to take the sink back out and auger that out.
You're actually going to mount it down again, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm actually going to mount. Yeah, the sink will actually get mounted. It's not just going to be sitting there. So, good job, Dana. Knuckles.
Boom.
All right.
Wait, you got to go like this. You got to do this thing.
What?
You got to you got to put your beer down, right?
Okay.
These are the things that the kids do.
They don't do that anymore, Dana.
I watched my boy do that with his buddy the other day.
Oh, it must be back in style again.
I don't know. I don't know.
All right, give me my beer back.
And then they said it was no cap.
I got a toilet. I don't have to shit in a bucket tomorrow. Thumbs up if you're happy that I don't have to shit in the bucket tomorrow.
Or on that other thing.
Or on the other thing.
Yeah, that's a thing.
The toilet of destiny.
I wouldn't call it the toilet
No,
of
it's
destiny.
the toilet of destiny.
No, that was thing.
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 All right, guys. Thank you.